Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to compare the Microsoft Word document. If you have the two version of the Word document, then how can you compare the changes? Word has the feature to compare the documents. Let's learn how you can do this. Before enter this video, subscribe our channel for further technology videos. So first you have to open the Microsoft Word, then you can go to Review tab, then you have to click on the compare, then you have to click on the compare to version documents. This will be open the compare documents window. Here you have to choose the original document, so I am choosing the original document and the revised document. This is my revised document. Then you can click on the more option. The comparison settings you can enable or disable from here. So after changes the comparison settings, we have to click OK. So now we can check it out. The compared document will be shown here. This is the original document. This is the revised document. The compared document available here. You can check it out. The removed text highlighted from here. This is the revision of the text. That means the 3 lines deleted from the original document. So in this way you can compare the Word documents. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section. If you like this video, don't forget to touch the like button.